guys, welcome back for another video today. In this video guys, I'll be showing you how you can join another airdrop. This airdrop, we are going to be among the earlier users if you join now. All you need to do is to get started. Click on the link below in the description of this video. It will be able to bring you down to my Telegram community. From there, we can continue. So if you are coming across to my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe. Once you click on the link, it will bring you down here on my Telegram community. So over here, this is the link. We are going to be joining Edenfi, and we are going to be among the earlier users. So copy this particular link. I just copy this link. I'm going straight to my browser. I will be using Mrs. Browser to access this site. So here on Mrs. Browser, this is where to paste the link. Up here, you see where you have search or enter website URL. Go ahead, paste this link, and you load the site. So I'm going to allow the site to load. You can see the site has been loading. It will now complete loading. We'll be able to activate our site. Okay, now this is how the site looks like when you open it. Now join the waitlist. Get early access to Edenfi Smart Wallet for cross-border payment and investment. So we are going to be using our Google account to sign in. Now you see who invited you. Go ahead, click on this particular place. It's now connecting. It will pop up for you to choose your email address which you are going to use to sign up. Now I select one of my email. It's now processing. I will give it a little time to process. Now it's asking you to continue. Go ahead, click on continue. Sign into Edenfi using this your email. So when you sign, it's now connecting your account. You see it's processing. Your account will be ready now. Okay guys, this is ready. You are going to do some of these tasks to get more points. First of all, you need to submit your username and you'll be able to get at least 10 points. Click on complete and you go ahead, submit a username. I can use any username which I choose, like submit. Now I just submitted this. Now it has opened where I can copy my own link to invite my friends. When you copy this link like this, you go ahead and share with your friends. So scrolling down here, you see tasks to do. This one, follow Edenfi on X, you get 50 points. This one, join them on Telegram, you'll be able to get 50 points. This other one, follow them on Instagram, you get 50 points. This one is on TikTok. If you follow them on TikTok, you get 50 points. This other one, invite friends, and you get 100 points. So copy the link, go ahead and invite your friends. Down here is ladderboard. So what we'll do is to do some of the tasks. You will need to do the tasks to get more points. Now when you click on the tasks, it will be able to load. If network delay, give it a little time, it's going to open. Okay, it is now processing. I'm going to follow. Once you follow, you can go back. So you'll be able to verify. It's asking me to verify. So I'm pushing to verify now. Once you verify, you'll be able to receive the points. So I'm allowing it to complete. I'll be able to receive. I already followed. So if I click on open back this page, I'll just go back. Now you can see this one. I just completed this. This is joining a Telegram. You can go ahead and join their Telegram. Also get 50 points once you join Telegram. Okay, I just joined the Telegram now. So I'll also verify if I have joined Telegram. So these are the things you are going to be doing. Okay, I just confirm. This will be able to refresh. I have verified it already, and you're going to do the same. Okay, it's now verifying my session. Okay, you see these two has been completed. This other one, you can also join them. I joined this one, but I need to verify more. So you go ahead and complete the whole task. Once you complete the whole task, you'll be able to get enough points. Currently I have 60 points now. I will go ahead and complete all the points. Alright guys, I just completed so many of the tasks and I have 160 so far. No referrals. This is giving me a headache. I will keep on trying it. So if you check, you see that I've done so many of the tasks. So go ahead and start doing the tasks. If you want to check more information, you can learn more from here. You can log out from here. So that is all you just need for now. You keep on doing the tasks that pop up and follow them in all the social media so you can get information as soon as they drop them. Any other information you need, try drop comment at the comment section. I will gladly answer you, the one I know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.